Assalamualaikum. We are going to prepare chicken kebab. For this I have added 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon half a teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, and this 2 teaspoon chicken kebab powder, and 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, and 1 teaspoon vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can add lemon and 1 egg and a little curd. Mix these ingredients very well and keep this for marination for 1 to 2 hours. It is ready for frying. And 1 teaspoon salt I have added to this. This is 1 kg chicken. You can keep this marinate in fridge. You can use this for tomorrow also. It is ready to fry. You can take hung curd, but I am taking as it is. We have to mix these all ingredients very well. Actually, if it becomes a little bit liquid, it will become a little bit difficult to fry. So that we use hung curd, but you can add any flour, corn flour, but I don't have right now. I'm not mixing this. Now I can fry directly now itself also. I can keep it for marination also. Now I am going to add few curry leaves to this mixture. This gives very good flavor to this chicken. If you add lemon, it gives very good taste. I did not have lemon today, but when you prepare, you should never forget lemon. You should add nearly 1 lemon. It gives very good taste and flavor, and all ingredients will get mixed well. Turns brown, then you turn it, and you cook on low flame so that it will not be raw. Stew for nearly 5 minutes so that it gets cooked well. Down. Alhamdulillah, now the chicken kebab is ready and it is yummy, tasty, delicious.